Go Math, Lesson 8.33.
Hi-oh, Kermit the Frog here with today's math lesson. Today's lesson is written right above my head. It's lesson 8.3. Let's answer today's essential question. How do you estimate the lengths of objects in inches? I'll have to think about that one. So let's go to the first page and start today's lesson. Bye!
Boys and girls, you should be on page 553 in your Go Math workbook. On this page, you're going to choose 3 objects from your house and measure their lengths with your ruler. Then draw the objects and write their lengths. So look around your house and find 3 objects. You might use a picture frame. Wait, that's not quite right. There, that's better. Or perhaps you'll use a book. Or maybe a fork. It's up to you. You can choose anything you want. Then get out your ruler and measure the objects. And write down how long they are. 4 inches for the picture frame, about 6 inches for the book, and 8 inches for the fork. The next step is to draw a picture of each of the objects that you chose. And voila, you have done page 553. You might like to do the math talk at home with someone and describe how the 3 lengths compare and which object is the longest. Boys and girls, you should now be on page 554. Let's take a look at the top light purple area for our example for today. Boys and girls, take a look at this orange bead. The bead is 1 inch long. Use this bead to help find how many beads will fit on the string, which is the best estimate for the length of the string. So since I don't have a bead with me, I might use something that I could put against the bead to help me estimate. Perhaps I'll use my pinky. And for me, the bead is about the size of the first 2 digits of my little finger. So I could use my little finger to estimate how many beads the string is long. So you can go ahead and trace the beads that I just measured out with my finger. And you can see that the correct answer is the string is 5 inches long. Not exactly 5 inches, but about. It's an estimate. It's not the exact answer. It's an answer that's just pretty darn close. Okay, let's now move down to the bottom of the page.
Hi-oh, boys and girls, Kermit again, here to help you with your math. All right, get out your little picky finger and use it to measure against the beads. Make an estimate as to how long each of the orange yarn strings are. Let's do number 1 first. Use your little pinky finger, move it along the string, and what is your answer? Did you say 3? Good job. Now let's do number 2. Use your pinky finger, move it along the string and count as you do it. Did you get 6 inches? Very good. Now let's do number 3. Use your little pinky finger again. Move it along the string. Did you get 4 inches? Very good. I wish I had a little pinky finger, but I don't. Just flippers. Hi-oh, boys and girls, Kermit the Frog here again. You will do this page on your own. Yep, that's right, all by yourself. No help from this frog. Estimate the length of each of the orange pieces of yarn. Use the beads as a guide. Each one is 1 inch long. When you're ready to check your answers, you can start the video again. That means right now it's time to press pause. You haven't pressed pause yet. I can see you. You still haven't pressed pause. Press pause! Okay, press pause. Bye!
Hi, boys and girls. Elmo here to help you with your answers. For number 4, did you say 4 inches? Good job. Number 5, I hope you said 6 inches. And for number 6, I hope you said 5 inches. Now let's check number 7. For number 7, you had to estimate the length of the red ribbon and the blue ribbon. I like red. Red's my favorite color. Can you guess why? Bet you can't. Anyway, using the 1 inch indicator, you had to estimate the length of the ribbons. Did you say 4 for the red ribbon? If you did, you were right. And if you said 5 for the blue ribbon, you were right too. But if you did not say those numbers, 4 for red and 5 for blue, then you were wrong! But I'm sure you were right, because you're very smart. Just like Elmo. Bye-bye.
Boys and girls, now you should be on page 556. Let's take a look at number 8. Sasha has a string that is the length of 5 beads. Each bead is 2 inches long. What is the length of the string? So when solving a problem like this, I always like to draw a picture. So here's 1 bead, and my bead is 2 inches long. And then I'll draw another bead that's 2 inches long. 3 beads, 4 beads, 5 beads. I could have also thought to myself, well, 5 beads 2 inches long is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And who knows the answer to that? What is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2? I think I heard somebody call out 10. So the string is 10 inches long. Let's try number 9. Maurice has a string that is 15 inches long. He has beads that are each 3 inches long. How many beads will fit on the string? So again, to help me solve this problem, I'm going to draw a picture. So I'm drawing a bead and put a 3 on it to indicate that it's 3 inches long. So here my string right now would be 3 inches long. And if I drew another bead, it would be 6. Got to keep going till I get to 15. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is what, boys and girls? 9. Keep going. 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 plus 3 is 15. So now I have a string that is 15 inches long. And now I can answer the question, how many beads will fit on the string if each of the beads is 3 inches long? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5 beads. Let's take a look at number 10. Tamika has this string. You can see it right down here that I've circled. She has many beads that are 1 inch long, like this blue bead you can see right there. What is the best estimate for the length of the string? Draw more beads on the string to show your estimate. So again, using my pinky finger, I'm going to estimate how long the string is. It's 1 bead, 2 beads, 3, 4, maybe about 5. So my estimate for the length of the string is 5 inches. And now I'll go ahead and use my finger to help me draw the beads. Draw my second bead. Draw my third bead. Draw my fourth bead. And draw my fifth bead. And as you can see, the string is about 5 inches long.
Well, boys and girls, that does it for today's math lesson. Be sure to do the 2 next pages for homework, take a picture of them, and then upload them to Seesaw. See you tomorrow. Bye. Yay! Why do I do that? I have no idea. See ya.